Good morning to one and all. Today's topic is calculus of residues. Okay. In this topic, the first definition is singular point or singularity. Singular point means if f of z is not analytic or not differentiable at z is equals to a is called the singular point. Z is equals to a is singular point. Example, f of z is equals to e power 3z, f of z is equals to e power 3z is not analytic at z is equals to 0, that is a equals to 0. So, a equals to 0 is the singular point or singularity. Second example, f of z is equals to z minus 1 whole to the power of minus 2, z minus 1 whole to the power of minus 2 is not analytic at z is equals to 1, that is a equals to 1. So, a equals to 1 is singular point. Another example, f of z is equals to tan z. Tan z can be written as sin z divided by cos z. So, z is equals to 0, z is equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. A equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is the singular point. Okay. Second definition, isolated singular point. If f of z has no other singularities in its neighborhood of z is equals to a is called isolated singular point. Example, f of z is equals to z square plus 1 divided by z square minus 1 into z plus 2 into z plus 3. The singularities, finding the singularities, the denominator term is equals to 0, that is z square minus 1 into z plus 2 into z plus 3 equals to 0, we get z is equals to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, comma 1. So, these singularities are called the isolated singular points. Okay. Next, third definition, pole. If f of z is equals to summation n is equals to 0 to infinity a n z minus a whole to the power of n plus summation m is equals to 1 to infinity bm into z minus a whole to the power of minus m. This is called the Lorentz series expansion. In 0 less than mod z minus a less than small r such that bm is not equals to 0, the remaining terms bm plus 1, bm plus 2 is equals to 0, then z is equals to a is called the pole of order m. Note, a pole of order 1 is called simple pole, a pole of order 2 is called double pole, a pole of order 3 is called triple pole. Example, f of z is equals to 1 divided by z into z minus 1 whole square. The singularities of f of z is z into z minus 1 whole square is equals to 0, that implies z is equals to 0, comma 1. Since z is equals to 0 is a singular point and its degree is 1, then it is called the simple pole. Pole of order is 1, so it is called the simple pole, and z is equals to 1 is a singular point and its degree is 2, then it is called the double pole or pole of order 2. Okay. Next one, residue. If f of z is equals to summation n is equals to 0 to infinity a n into z minus a whole to the power of n plus summation m is equals to 1 to infinity a suffix minus m into z minus a whole to the power of minus m. The number a minus 1, a suffix minus 1 is called the residue of f of z at z is equals to a. It is denoted by res of f comma a or res z is equals to a into f of z. Right. Formulas for evaluation of residues. First one, if z is equals to a is simple pole of f of z is residue z is equals to a into f of z is equals to limit z tends to a into z minus a into f of z. Second one, if z is equals to a is pole of order m, then residue of z is equals to a, f of z is equals to limit z tends to a into 1 divided by m minus 1 factorial into d power m minus 1 divided by dz power m minus 1 into z minus a whole power m into f of z. Third one, if z is equals to a is a simple pole of f of z, then residue at z is equals to a, f of z is equals to limit z tends to a, f of z divided by q dash of z. Means f of z can be written as f of z divided by q dash of z. Okay. The problems on residues. Find residues of first one, f of z is equals to e power 3 divided by z. Second one, f of z is equals to 1 divided by z minus 1 whole square. Solution, given that f of z is equals to e power 3 divided by z, it can be expanded by Lorentz series. Okay, we know that e power x expansion 1 plus x divided by 1 factorial plus x square divided by 2 factorial plus and so on. Applying this formula, e power 3z is equals to 1 plus 3 divided by z divided by 1 factorial plus 3 divided by z whole square divided by 2 factorial plus and so on. That is equals to 1 plus 3 divided by z plus 9 divided by 2 into z square plus and so on. Okay. Residue of f of z is another form is the coefficient of 1 divided by z, means a minus 1 coefficient. It is defined in previous video. So residue of f of z is 3. Okay. Second example, given that f of z is equals to 1 divided by z minus 1 whole square. Singular point of f of z is z minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. The denominator is equating to 0. The singularity is z is equals to 1. Since z is equals to 1 is pole of order 2, then residue at z is equals to 1, f of z is equals to limit z tends to 1 into z 1 divided by 2 minus 1 factorial into d power 2 minus 1 divided by dz power 2 minus 1 into z minus 1 whole square into f of z. Substituting f of z in this, we get limit z tends to 1 d divided by dz into z minus 1 whole square into 1 divided by z minus 1 whole square, that is equals to limit z tends to 1 into d by dz of 1, that is equals to limit z tends to 1, derivative of constant is equals to 0, that is equals to 0.